Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the sender's email in Mailchimp. This is essential if you want to update your business email or switch to a more professional address for your campaigns. Let's dive right into it. First, open a web browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the login button and click it. Enter your email and password to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where all your email marketing magic happens, so make sure you're using the correct credentials. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation panel. Here, you'll see various options for managing your campaigns and audience. Click on Audience. This will expand a menu showing you different ways to manage your contacts. From this expanded menu, select Audience Dashboard. This takes you to the overview of your current audience settings and stats. Now at the top of the page, click on Manage Audience. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This is the control center for customizing how your audience interacts with your emails, including who they see as the sender. Once you're in the Settings section, scroll down until you find the field labeled Default from Email Address. This is the email address that appears in your subscribers' inboxes as the sender of your campaigns. To change it, click Edit next to this field. This will open up an editable text box where you can update the information. In the Default from Email Address field, type the new sender email address you want to use. Make sure it's an active email you have access to, as Mailchimp may send a verification link to confirm ownership. This step ensures your campaigns look professional and trustworthy to your subscribers. Finally, click on Save from Email Address to confirm and apply the changes. Your new sender email is now set and will be used for all future campaigns sent from this audience. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the sender's email in Mailchimp, giving your campaigns a fresh, updated identity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.